Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7, shloka number 15. Namam dushkrutino mudhaham Namam dushkrutino mudhaah prapadyante naradhamaah prapadyante naradhamaah prapadyante naradhamaah Mayaya apahruta jnana Mayaya apahruta jnana Mayaya apahruta jnana Asuram bhavamashritah Asuram bhavam ashritah Asuram bhavamashritah Namam dushkrutino mudhaah prapadyante naradhamaah Mayaya apahruta jnana Asuram bhavamashritah Asuram bhavam ashritah. Lord Shri Krishna said, those miscreants who are grossly foolish, who are lowest among mankind, whose knowledge is stolen by illusion, and who partake of the atheistic nature of demons, do not surrender unto me. Do not surrender unto me. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.